Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Prius hybrid battery. Only ways. Disconnect the 12V battery and wait to discharge residual energy before touching the inverter or HV connectors. Remove the trunk trim panels, lower the rear seats, and access the battery cover bolts. Keep your tools organized and labeled to avoid cross-threading or lost fasteners during reinstallation. Begin by gathering a torque wrench, insulated sockets, breaker bar, and foam padding for safe battery handling. Park on a level surface and clear sufficient workspace behind the vehicle for the battery tray and hoist if needed. Inspect fasteners and clean contact surfaces while avoiding metal-to-metal contact across high-voltage terminals. Take photos of each step so reassembly is accurate and quick. Start by removing trim and unbolting the battery cover panels to expose the HV assembly. Disconnect the inverter interlock and any service plugs, then secure the battery with straps or a hoist rated for the load. Unbolt tray bolts and lifting points while one person stabilizes the pack. Lift slowly and keep the battery level to prevent internal cell stress or electrolyte leaks during removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.